Yeah.
The box is finished. Oh, I'm really pleased with this one. This is for little baby called Elka. It was born in October, the 26th of October last year. And a mum asked, no, actually, I think it was a grandma. Grandma's having it made for her. And she said, can you do something with nature? So I've put a butterfly up here, look. And she said, can she have a mouse? So she's got a little tiny little mouse hiding down here and some beautiful flowers with a name on. The corners, I've got rounded comb joints so that they're safe, as you can see there. And it's had a couple of coats of finishing oil on to keep it nice. And if we open up this, she's put a little message inside, which is rather sweet. So you can have anything. These can be personalised to your taste. So it says, the supreme happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. That's very lovely, isn't it? What a lovely thing to have. So, you know, you might have got some little welcome baby cards and, you know, bits and pieces. You can pop them in. There's my little fella Brandon. Look, there's my little bacon buddy. Maybe a special little toy can go inside, or the sonogram picture, something like that. And then that's a little thing to treasure. And probably when they're older, it'll probably have makeup in it, won't it? And tapes and pictures and stuff like that. So there we go. There's our little memory box. And if you like, if you really want to, you can have a little clasp on it. Look. So we actually have got tons of different ones, but this one's quite nice. So we could screw that on there, and it's got this little bit here that swings out. You can lift up, and then they can get. So you know how the little ones, they like opening and closing things, don't they? So that is also available too, if you so desire.